Welcome back to ColdStart Garage, guys. On this episode, we're going to fully assemble these carbs, which were in little tiny pieces thanks to my buddy Chris. Thanks a lot, guy. Oh, I curse his name out. We're going to bench sink them, and we're also going to bench leak check them. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Stay tuned. Okay, we got a main jet. Dang it, Chris. Oh boy. A little washer. I hope these boots are okay. Oh, gaskets are bad. I gotta order a new gasket. But I could do that last, maybe. What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm definitely have to bring up some pictures. That is interesting. There's a little rubber stop, whatever the hell that's for. Yep. Good thing for pictures. 6. What is 6? This guy? Looks like there's already a jet in there. Should I take that out and look? Nah. So I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm gonna put everything back together. I don't know why he broke it down this far, and I'm just gonna. Where does this little pin go? Maybe it goes in here. Oh, probably right there. What else goes in there? I'll be taking these things apart many times, I think. Okay, so this is some kind of. Oh, okay, I see. It's a jet, or probably it's a spring. If I was to guess. Oh, that's the main jet. Derp. All right, we'll just put that back in right now. Okay, seated. 1, 2, 3. That needs a spring. It has to. Alright, found a spring. I'm going to treat it like a boat. I'm going to seat it. I'm just going to back it up 3 turns. 3 flats. So soft stop. 1, 2, 3. That should get us in the ballpark. Okay, I think this is just a shut off. I'm going to order. I might order some. Actually, these are too thick, I think. Maybe. Well, I got options. What's the name of this jet? What's the name of that jet? 17. Holder needle jet. No, that's not what I'm looking at. That goes in here, though. The orifices are clear. Yeah. I don't know about that one. We'll figure it out. So this has a little divot on it. So I'm going to guess this float. I hit my head. Okay, there's something missing there. This is missing an O-ring. And a spring? Oh, there's way more shit in this bag. What the fuck? Okay. So this gets that needs a spring. Have you guys ever got a whole carburetor given to you and just dangle pieces? I think this main jet's missing an O-ring. That's alright. Okay, so I got actual proper screwdrivers. JIS. It's a Japanese. Because the number 2 screw, you gotta get a JIS screwdriver because number 2's. Just a normal screwdriver will strip these out. Ask me how I know. Alright, I'm missing a gasket. I'm just gonna tap install these. Yeah, you can see all these screws are mutilated. It's because they didn't have the right screwdriver. Do better. What am I looking at in here? Okay, I think, yeah, this goes here. Let's just give it a little juicy juice. Ah, my eyes. Ah, did it again. I don't know where that little washer goes. It's extra. Okay, there's a, so this block here is a guide. So it has a little thing that kicks out, and you got a groove in this guy. Where does this guy go? Does it go underneath? Or which way does this go? Ah, it's getting me wet. Yeah, I need to get a couple things. The main jet, I'm pretty sure I need this washer and those. But you gotta start trying to put stuff back together before you know what you're missing. So that is one beautiful looking toilet, guys. Vroom, vroom. All right, that's enough. I'm gonna put the other one together and we'll figure out what we're missing after that. Before I bolt these two together, I'll make sure you guys can see what's going on as well. See. Okay, that fits in too easy, so I'm gonna loosen it. Okay, that garage is pretty good now. So now, see this nut here, I could adjust this. Kind of like the same way with the idle screw. And I'll just make sure this, see it's a little tight. So I need to loosen this butterfly up a little bit. Till this fits in there, then I'm gonna turn the idle circuit back down to where it should be, wherever that is. So that is bench synced. I'm gonna loosen this up. I'm gonna show you one more way to check. So here's the, looks pretty good. It looks pretty close. I'm pretty confident this is synced close enough. Has new O-rings on these screws. I'm not sure if they're the right ones. They're kind of fat. New bowl gaskets, new needle jet gasket O-rings. So theoretically, this is ready for the bike, guys. Now it's ready. I had to swap this bar around. It was 80 out, 180 out. See this little notch? It gives you a little room for the frame. I'm just gonna set those there for tonight. I'm running low on time. Gas canister, off switch, carburetors. I'm gonna check for leaks before I get it installed on the bike. Filling. Dumped it over the overflow. Yep, we got gas in both. All right. That's not what we want you to do. I think I gas everywhere. All right, so this float. That float's stuck, or it's set too high. Dang it! All right, so I gotta get back in there and fix that. So it's either the float isn't set right, or the bronze tube has a crack in it and it's just leaking constantly. So I got to get back in there and look. I'm glad I did this on a bench because it would suck on the bike. Yep, you don't want to be finding out those kind of errors on a bike. So I have one more thought on it. Watch. Turn this on. And it starts leaking immediately. Turn it off. Stops immediately. Yeah, the float's not set right. Because it would probably keep leaking if it was a full bowl. I love doing this kind of stuff. I'm having a good time in here, guys. Draining it. Draining that one too. Nothing dripping yet, except for my loose fuel line. Alright, I'm gonna check if there's fuel in this bowl. We're just gonna let the fuel just sit there. Now we're just gonna leave fuel on, drink some beer, and see if that leaks. That's how you do a proper leak check, guys. You gotta have a beer in your hand. Thanks for watching my moving picture, guys. We finally got the carbs all situated, all together. New O-rings, new bits and pieces, new parts, adjusted. They don't leak. We had all the fun we could possibly have with these. If you like this kind of content, click here, subscribe. If you want to watch more about this motorcycle, click this playlist right here. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage, guys.